Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and skincare. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to revitalize your hair without weighing it down. I know a lot of you struggle with dry, frizzy hair that lacks volume and softness. What if there was a shampoo that could repair and nourish your hair while leaving it soft, manageable, and full of life? Let's take a closer look at the dalla Palma Restructuring Shampoo with Bio-Argan Total Repair. Now, let's talk about what this shampoo brings to the table. This is a gentle yet deeply moisturizing formula designed to restore strength, elasticity, and body to your hair. It's enriched with Bio-Argan Total Repair, an ingredient known for its ability to rejuvenate and strengthen even the most damaged hair. The shampoo promises frizz-free, soft, and fragrant hair that feels fresh all day. And if you're like me, you know the importance of having clean, healthy hair that doesn't feel weighed down or heavy. So, does it live up to those claims? Let's find out. I've been using this shampoo for a few weeks now, and I have to say it's been an easy addition to my routine. The texture is creamy and luxurious, but it doesn't feel too heavy on the hair. When I apply it, it lathers beautifully and rinses out easily. My hair immediately feels clean, but not stripped. It still retains some moisture, which is crucial, especially for my dry, color-treated hair. What I noticed right away is how soft my hair felt after the first wash. It wasn't just soft in that superficial way. It felt more hydrated and nourished deep down. After several uses, the frizz that usually dominates my hair was significantly reduced, and my hair had more volume, especially at the roots. I also noticed that my hair felt stronger, which is great because I tend to suffer from breakage, especially during the colder months. Of course, like any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. While it does a fantastic job of nourishing and revitalizing, if you have extremely fine hair or very oily roots, you may want to be cautious about how much you use. It's not overly heavy, but for some, a small amount may be more than enough. When it comes to value for money, this shampoo is definitely in the higher end category. However, considering its luxurious formula, the added benefits of Bio-Argan Total Repair, and the results I've experienced, I think it's worth the price, especially for those with damaged or frizzy hair. If you're someone who spends a lot of money on salon treatments, this could be a good alternative to help maintain hair health between visits. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The bottle is sturdy and has a flip cap for easy dispensing, which I appreciate. It's also worth mentioning that this product is made in Italy, a country known for its high-quality cosmetics and hair care products, which adds to its credibility. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for alternatives, there are plenty of shampoos out there that claim to do similar things. But I've found this one really stands out in terms of how it repairs and adds volume without being too heavy. If you're on a budget, there are some good drugstore options, but they might not have the same high-quality ingredients or offer the same level of repair. To wrap things up, the dalla Palma Restructuring Shampoo offers excellent results for those looking to repair and revitalize their hair. If you've been struggling with frizzy, dry, or damaged hair, I think this could be a great product for you. It doesn't just clean. It works on a deeper level to restore strength, elasticity, and moisture. If you're willing to splurge a little for that added luxury, it's definitely worth a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.